this is Story from Youess. Welcome to visit our factory. Let me show you around. You can see this is our factory. We have two brands, Youess and Youess. Youess is for commercial solar system and Youess is for home solar system. We have 10 years experience in lithium battery industry. Then let me show you inside. Follow me, let me show you around. You can see this is our office area. And next is our showroom where shows all of our lithium batteries. You can see this is our 1240 lithium battery, and next is our 48 lithium battery for home solar system. And on that side is HVS series for commercial solar system. And this will display the case pictures and the company profile. You can see this area. Here are all the wonderful cases all over the world. And next is the pictures for exhibition. We have attended all the exhibitions all over the world. And next, we have strict quality management standards. All of our batteries will be tested before shipment to ensure the quality and the lifetime. And the last, let me show you the test area. You can see this is our testing area, which mainly including fault testing, communication between our batteries and the most brand of inverters, charge and discharge testing, and so on. And next is our office area for technical team. And next, let me show you the manufacturing workshop. And this is our production line. Let me show you. This is the prismatic cells. We use green A prismatic cells, deep cycle with long lifetime. And here is the laser beam welding machine. With this technology, the battery comes with better work performance. And this is the area where shows how to assemble the lithium battery. And you can see here are our 15 kilowatts lithium battery for home solar system. And here is our packaging area. You can see the batteries will be packaged in wooden box, and each battery with pallets, so it is very convenient for movement and shipment. And this is our aging test room. All of our batteries are aging tested before shipment to ensure the normal cooperation and quality. And this is our warehouse. All the models stocked in our factory with fast delivery. We can ship the battery immediately after payment. If you need a battery, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.